Around by Nothing But Thieves is played in standard tuning with no capo. For this song there's actually two guitar parts playing the same thing, just in different parts of the fretboard. So the first guitar starts here on the 7th fret of the D, with a little A shape, 7th fret on the D, 6th fret on the G, 5th fret on the high E string. I'm going to pick D, G, B, G. For the second chord we're going to kind of strum a D minor chord really, but we're only going to use these 3 fingers. So 7th fret with the 3rd finger on the D, 7th fret on the G string with the pinky, and 6th fret on the B with the 2nd finger. And we're just going to pick D, G, B and let that note ring out there. So we've got the A, into that little D minor shape. Then I'm going to move up to a B flat chord. We're going to use the same voicing as we used for the A chord, just up 1 fret. So D string at the 8, 7th fret on the G and 6th fret on the B. We're just going to pick the same as we did for the A chord as well. So D, G, B, G. And then we're going to finish it off with a little F chord. Got 7th fret here on the D string with the 3rd finger, 5th fret on the G with the 1st finger, and 6th fret on the B with the 2nd finger. So slowly we have the A major chord, D minor, B flat, F chord. For the second guitar part we're going to start off on the 12th fret of the A, 11th fret on the D, 9th fret on the G. We're going to pick A, D, G, D, and we'll move up to 12, 12 and 10, picking down A, D, G. Then I'm going to play exactly the same shape as we did for the first chord, but upper frets, so 13, 12 and 10. Same picking, A, D, G, D. Finish it off with a little F chord, 12, 10 and 10. Good luck jamming along with this fantastic song. For more tutorials, please check out this link here. Good luck, happy practicing, and take care.